We're finished. Now what do we need to do? Well, yeah, you're just finishing, you've just cut that big piece of wood, and now you're on the MDF, or chipboard. What are we doing today, Josh?
Reaction road, baby!
We've kitted out the van.
Ready to go.
Give them us one more, Josh.
Look how comfy that looks. Seems like it's a bit of a mess, I should be climbing all over it, but yeah.
We're cooking our first meal in the van.
Cooking a nice H2O.
What are we having?
H2O with flies, apparently.
Oh.
Yeah.
We're having noodles.
Joys, though.
We're having noodles in front of the beach.
Best instant noodle you can get. So we're currently driving west on the Great Ocean Road. We just made our first stop at Bells Beach. First sighting of surf break. Unbelievable. Lucy doing the best job driving this windy road. Next stop. Shift Shore. 20 minutes away. This is beautiful. So we are about 2.5 hours in now. The Great Ocean Road. It's been absolutely unreal so far. We're 10 minutes from Great. Alright guys, this journey so far has been unbelievable. We're about 2.5 hours in to the Great Ocean Road now, and it's just stunning. Every single corner you turn is just mind-blowing. 10 minutes away, it's a place called Apollo Bay. You feeling, Lou?
Not bad, I'm quite enjoying the driving there.
Cruising, aren't you?
Yeah, windy road.
Yeah, it's just constantly up, down, left, right. It's nuts, but the views are just like mind-blowing. Like unreal. Yeah. See you shortly.
It's massive! So we're currently in a rainforest. Literally like 10 minutes from the ocean road. It's so pretty. Dinosaurs used to live here, and there's meat-eating snails. So we just finished our day doing the Great Ocean Road, and now we are in our van for the very first night. As you can see, we've got fairy lights and got quite a basics. I'm currently on the bed. Got some pasta. Josh is cooking it right now on the gas. But yeah, it's cozy enough for tonight. We've bed into a sofa, so it can flip over between bed and sofa. But we've not tried that yet, like actually setting it up. But we have cut the wood to do it, so hopefully next time it is a bit more space, because right now there's really not too much space. So we just had our first night in the camper van, and we've literally just driven about 5 minutes down the road to this choppy, rainy sea in the morning. And then you've got the 12 hostels in that corner over there. And yeah, we're loving it. What's for breakfast? Got sausages and some more H2O. We've got sausage butties and coffee. And yeah, just chilling next to the ocean. Pretty windy today, but pretty cushy. It's
was unreal, and we'll definitely be back. We're planning on maybe summer, potentially.
Yeah,
returning.
maybe like if we get our 2nd-year visa, we'll go back down and yeah, do that the whole thing. So stopped at Bay of Islands.
Yeah,
And the end is Port Ferry.
we didn't go all the way as far as we could have gone, which is a shame, but we're on a bit of a time limit just because we wanted to get back in time because we've got work tomorrow. Last week of work! One more week of work and then we'll be heading up to Brisbane.
Which really
So excited.
When we go to Brisbane, we're going to be living out the van for at least a month. So we'll see how that goes. We might get a cheeky Airbnb after a month. You know, maybe do some upgrades on the van. But yeah, so far we had one night in it and we're loving it. Like I thought I'd be a bit skeptical about all the driving, but I'm actually loving it. So.
Living the life, kids, living the life. We've been told numerous times that we're living people's dreams. We're living our dream right now. It's absolutely unreal. The weather's been a bit hit and miss, but to be honest, everything we've seen has made up for it. And it's been nice because it's actually been quite quiet. There's not been a lot of tourists. I can imagine the summer it being really, really busy. And I don't think we would have got the spot that we got last night. We ended up finding a little spot on Iorvalander. It had literally 4 parking spaces and it had some public toilets next to it, which was perfect, really. It was a class little spot, tucked away off the side of the road near the 10 minutes from the 12 Apostles. So yeah, that's us. We're about an hour and a half, literally an hour and a half away from home now, which is quite sad, but onwards and upwards. It's been a mint-little experience, and we're back with another update soon.
Bye.
See you on the flip side, homies!
Love days when you don't know what time it is all day.
Hi everyone.